Buying a home is possibly one of the most expensive investments in a person's life. As a savvy homebuyer, you should have the home inspected by a professional home inspector during the home buying process. Look at it this way: a home inspection is like a physical examination of the house. The home inspector will thoroughly examine the home looking for safety, function, and structural issues. What they check for is the plumbing, electrical, heating, air conditioning, doors, windows, appliances, garage, attic, as well as the exterior roof, siding, foundation, decks, porches, sidewalk, and driveway. You will receive a detailed written report with photos and a summary page listing any concerns. There will be items listed that may need to be repaired in the near future, and those that are in good working condition. In other words, a home inspection is a vital component of the home transaction process. How much does a home inspection cost? The cost will vary upon the age and size of the home. But you can expect to pay between $300 to $500 for the home inspection. For most homebuyers, the home inspection is part of the home buying process and is an excellent investment. In the long run, the home inspection will save you hundreds if not thousands of dollars.